But where is all this headed? Well, the future of how brands interact with us isn't just about being present. It has to be personal, it has to be creative, and above all, it has to be shareable.
And the technology is already taking that next big leap. Get this, Menoki is introducing AI selfie stickers. A user can upload just one photo of themselves, and the AI instantly generates 5 unique personal stickers in all these different styles. It's deeply personal, it's infinitely scalable, and brands can even use it for custom campaigns. Imagine turning your selfie into a festival-themed sticker right on the spot.
At the end of the day, it really all boils down to this single powerful idea. Menoki connects brands, creators, and fans, and it does it using stickers as marketing, as merchandise, and now with AI as a tool for real personal expression.
Which leaves us with one final, really critical question for any brand out there. Your fans, your customers, your audience, they are talking to each other every single day. The only question is your brand a part of that conversation?